Welcome everyone to another Innistrad Midnight Hunt pre-release pack opening. And let's begin, shall we? Let me know in the comments, which cards are you excited for from the Magic the Gathering Midnight Hunt? And are you excited for the Vow, or were you excited for this Midnight Hunt? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, so we have our dice. We have... Here it is. Pre-release foil. Adeline Resplendent Cathar. Very nice. And then we have our first pack to open. Let's see what we get in this pack. Let's see what we get. Blade Brand. Tapping at the Window. Soul Guide Gryff. Flip the Switch. We have a Sage Zombie, a Snarling Wolf, Candlegrove Witch, Lambhold Harrier, a Hobbling Zombie, Bait Hook Angler, Blood Tithe Collector, Rise of the Ants, interesting, Village Witch. Our rare is Galvanic Iteration. Very nice card. We have a mountain. Ooh, a burb. Look at this burb. Look at this. It has an eyeball in its mouth. What? No way. Alrighty, let's open pack 2 and see what's exciting in here. We start off with a Jack-o'-lantern. We have a Consider. Morcrit Behemoth, Path to the Festival, Flare of Faith, Falconwrath Perforator, Gavany Trapper, Voldaren Stinger, Shadow Beast Sighting. We have a Tireless Hauler, a Loyal Gryff, Winterhorn Blessing, Ambitious Farmhand. Our rare is Sungold Sentinel. We have a Plains and a Treefolk token. And our other regular token. Let's head on over to the next pack. Let's see what exciting cards we get in there. Secrets of the Key. We have Bat Whisper. We have Plummet, Evolving Wilds, Unblinking Observer, Diregraph Horde, Search Party Captain, Brimstone Vandal, Oregon Hoarder, Harvesttide Infiltrator, a Scab Wrangler, Cathartic Pyre. We have a Mystic Skull. And our rare is Rite of Harmony. Very nice card. Got our island and our 2 tokens. Pack number 4. We start with a Candlelit Cavalry, a Blessed Defiance, Jack-o'-lantern, Larder Zombie, Novice Occultist, Unruly Mob, Arden Elementalist, Mounted Dread Knight, Lunarch Veteran, Necrosynthesis, Unnatural Moonrise, Obsessus Astronomer. Our mythic is Enduring Angel. Ooh, another Enduring Angel. We have a Swamp, a Foil Geist Wave, another Vampire token, and our other token. 2 more packs to go. Let's see what's in these packs. Harvesttide Sentry, Neonates Rush, Startle, Rotten Reunion, Bounding Wolf, Candle Trap, Moonragers Slash, Defenestrate, Ecstatic Awakener, Dualcraft Trainer, a Rite of Oblivion, Heirloom Mirror, and our rare is Liesa, Forgotten Archangel. Very nice. We have a Forest, Curse of Surveillance, a foil rare, a Beast token. Ooh, I like this art. And our other token. Very nice. Alrighty, the last pack of this. We start off with a Falcon Abomination, a Vampire Interloper, Might of the Old Ways, Hedge Witch Mask, Electric Revelation, Devious Cover-Up, Cathar Commando, Burn the Accursed, Dawnheart Rejuvenator, Shady Traveler, Hungry for More, there's the token maker for the vampires, Blade Stitch Scab, Beloved Beggar, and our rare is Champion of the Perished. We have ourselves a Plains, a 1/2 token of Spider. Thank you very much for joining in on this one. Stay tuned for the next one.